Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day I was chatting to a teacher friend of mine who told me a grimly comic tale of something that had happened in her institution. Apparently, one of her colleagues had had a big argument with the boss and decided to vent by writing a very angry email criticising, in no uncertain terms, the boss. They then copied all of their colleagues into this particular email, but stupidly forgot to check and managed to copy in the boss who they were criticising. Obviously, this landed them in hot water, and after a severe warning, they ended up getting fired about a week later. If something lands you in hot water, it gets you into a situation that's very difficult for you, where you're likely to be criticised or maybe punished. Yeah, so you might be in hot water, or something stupid that you say or do might land you in hot water. So maybe, for example, a player who's getting booed by fans of his team and responds angrily by giving the fans the V sign. This may land them in hot water. They may be in hot water as a result. Maybe politicians who make particularly distasteful comments about, for example, immigration may end up in hot water. And maybe, if you're inside an authoritarian state, like Russia, for example, posting pro-Ukrainian posts on social media or criticising the war that's going on, that Russia's waging on Ukraine, can land you in hot water. You might even end up with a prison sentence. By the way, people also often say that you're in the shit. Obviously, it's a less polite version, but it's quite common in everyday spoken English. You know, you might say, yeah, this guy like an idiot copied the boss in on this email that he'd written, slagging her off, and it landed him in the shit. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use in hot water or in the shit.